Welcome back to Guchies Kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. If you are just stopping by to my platform, I want to say a huge thank you for stopping by. To my incredible, amazing subscribers who watch me daily on this platform, I want to say thank you and God bless you mightily. Yeah, today we are going to be making pepper soup with stockfish and some goat meat. Yeah, I just want to give you an idea, things you can go ahead and do this time that is COVID. You can just quickly go ahead and make light soup like this. I'm going to be showing you the ingredients one after the other because this is not a recipe that will waste much of your time. If you have stockfish at home, if you have goat meat, it doesn't matter the quantity, just go ahead, take a little bit. All you need is the liquid actually, not just the meat or the fish. All you need is just the liquid. So here I have my boiling water. So I'm just going to add my fish and I'll close it up. I'll go ahead and blend my pepper and the rest of them. So guys, I'll go ahead and blend all of this. I have onion here, I have habanero pepper, I have green chili pepper, I have ginger, I have garlic. I'll go ahead and add some sage to this. You can add mint, you can add basil, but I want to add sage. I'm going to add my blended stuffs. Next is my pepper soup blend. Next is my ground BONGA fish. Next is my ground crayfish. I'm going to add a little of my ground Cameroon pepper. So fam, if you don't have all these pepper soup ingredients, go ahead and just use lentil seed. If you have lentil seed, you need pepper in this very pepper soup recipe. Yeah, so if you don't have pepper soup ingredients, just look for any Asian store. Before they brought this from Africa, I used to go to Asian store. That is where I get some pepper soup recipes. You will see them in bags, like little Ziploc bags. Yeah, you will see lentil seed. You will see some kind of native herbs that you can combine together and make your pepper soup. If you don't have scent leaf, you can use sage, you can use basil, you can use mint. Yeah, I'll go ahead and add a little salt to this. You can use yam, you can use potato. I'll add a little of my MAGGI seasoning. I'll allow it to cook a little bit before I add my meat because I already gone ahead to cook the meat down. I just want to cook this stockfish down. It tastes good. Oh yeah. I'll close it up and I'll allow it to cook some more. So from here I have my boiled goat meat and I'm going to go ahead and add them gently. You can decide to make it as salted. I have COWFEET as well. I'll add it. Yeah, I have a lot here. I have chicken here too. Yeah, I'll just add it. That's how my hubby likes it, so I just want to make it for him. This works a lot for sinuses also. If you are dealing with sinuses, this will help you a lot. Okay? Yeah. Guys, this tastes very delicious. If you want some more crayfish, you can go ahead and add. Whatever you want, you can go ahead and add. But yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. Yeah. It doesn't take time. Next to this, guys, I'm going to add my carrots. Yeah, remember I added sage. Remember I blended with sage. And our soup is ready. This is it for our pepper soup. Very delicious to make. Make sure you cook your stockfish until it is properly cooked. And then make sure your goat meat, everything is nicely cooked, so that you can enjoy it. This will work for sinuses, it will work for fever, it will work for malaria, it will fight against COVID-19. These are just ideas. I need to give you guys this idea so you can go ahead and start making this for your family. Only chicken if you win. You can use only goat meat if that's what you have. You can use fish if that's what you have. And your family will enjoy this, okay? Stay blessed. Guchies family, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. Bye.